Hey, your car guy, Bill DeBoer over here at DeBoer's Auto. I just want to make a quick video today and talk to everybody about choosing the right auto repair shop. So when we talk about affordability and car ownership, aligning with the right shop for your needs is a major piece of that. So 1 in 3 drivers will pay over 35% more by choosing the wrong repair shop. This comes out of a study that AAA did back in 2023. So that's a huge expense. So when we talk about car ownership, how you repair that vehicle and who you repair it with makes a really big difference. So you want to make sure that you're picking the right repair shop. Independent shops like DeBoer's Auto will typically save you 15 to 25% compared to working with a dealership on your maintenance needs. So that's why typically, and this has been a stat that's been around for probably the past 100 years, as long as cars have been rolling, that most all repairs, 70% typically always go to an independent aftermarket auto repair shop, and 30% of drivers go to the new car dealers. It's been like that historically forever, but this comes into that savings that people are able to experience and that higher customer service level that they can get at an independent repair shop versus a dealer. So the other thing you want to do is look for certified auto repair shops. So the BBB did a study and they found that 40% fewer complaints came in if the shops were certified. So the non-certified shops had an increase in the amount of complaints, which makes sense. You figure people aren't above board or they're not taking pride in their industry and getting those certifications that are required to show the public their knowledge and trustworthiness. So when we talk about what to look for, how you find that right partner for yourself for repairing your vehicle and maintaining your vehicle, you want to look to see if they have ASE-certified technicians. And then when you do that, you want to see that they are actually current with their ASE certifications. ASE certifications will last 5 years from the test date that they pass, and then they need to be updated and retaken again after that to maintain their certification. The other thing you want to look for is a shop that has transparency built into the way that they do business. So you want to see within the estimating process, you want to see detailed estimates with prices and everything spelled out as to what they're going to do, how they're going to do it, and what it's going to cost. The other thing that you can do is go on and check out the reviews. Go to Google Reviews and go through the list and maybe jump right to the 1 stars and see what the problem areas are with the shop to start with, and then go back and look at the 5 stars, because that'll give you a good sense of where the shop is with the marketplace and the customers and how they take care of them. And the last thing you want to look for is are the repairs guaranteed that they actually perform. So you want to make sure when you're looking for an auto repair partner that you're looking for a shop that you can work with, partner with, trust, and go there for the long haul. You don't want to just jump in and have a pit stop, right? You want to make sure you have a place that you can go to and maintain your vehicle for a long time. So for this and some other great tips, head on over to autorepair.shop.